Hiya, I'm Simon Mole and I am a poet. Today we're going to be doing some free writing, which means that you get to write about anything you want. It's called free writing because you don't have to think about spelling, punctuation or grammar. You definitely don't have to think about trying to be neat and tidy. Sometimes I don't even really think about what I'm writing that much. The only rule is that you must keep your hand and the pen moving on the paper at all times. So, if you can't think of what to write, you could just write, I don't know what to write. I don't know what to write until another idea pops into your head. Sometimes I find that a word starts out as a squiggle. When I take the tigers to town, we always bury treasure in the Tesco car park. I don't know what to write. I donut, violin, jacuzzi, volcanoes erupting in my brain. Free writing can be a bit of an odd thing to do at first, so we're going to start small. 1 minute, 60 seconds, that's all. Think of this like the warm-up. No one is expecting Messi to score the winning goal when he's still got his tracksuit on doing his stretches. And this is the same. You're not trying to do good writing, you're trying to do free writing. So, pause the video to get yourself some paper and a pen or a pencil, and then press play when you're ready to free write. Okay, on your marks, get set, free write. Awesome. Keep it moving. Whatever pops into your head, whatever you write now is the right thing to write now, like carrots or trainers. "30 seconds left. You're halfway there already. Keep the pen and your hand moving. If you're thinking, why is Simon making us do this weirdy thing? Just write, why is Simon making us do this weirdy thing? There were some pandas in a Lamborghini with the ice cream and I dipped my chips in. Oh, that's it. 1 minute, done. Pens down. So, in a moment, there'll be time to read over your free write if you want to. But first, maybe we need a little finger stretch. So, when you're having a look at your work, you might find a word or a sentence that you like or are interested in. You could underline it or put a ring around it. But if you don't want to read back your free write, that's all good too. If you're going to, pause the video whilst you have a look back over your writing and then press play when you're ready for another free write. Okay, we're going in again. This time for 1.5 minutes, 90 seconds. That's all. And remember, whatever you write is the right thing to write. On your marks, get set, go. Go, 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 go! Keep your hand moving, keep the pen moving, window, lampshade, anything. Even if a word starts out as a squiggle or a squiggle starts out as a word. Keep your hand moving and the pen, even if it's broccoli stealing gangster snail, just pop it on the page. Oh, we're halfway there already. Great stuff, guys. Keep it up. Custard bath. Raindrops. 5 seconds left now. 3, 2, 1, and pens down. Absolutely awesome stuff. So, in a minute, you're going to get a chance to read back through your Freewrite. You're going to find a word, an idea, a sentence, which you think is interesting enough to write about a little bit more. And then you're going to write that word or sentence at the top of a fresh page, like a title. So, pause the video whilst you look for a word or a sentence that you like, and then write that as a title on a new page. Hit play once you've done it, and we'll move on. Okay, we're going to switch it up slightly here. It's almost the same thing as we've been doing, except you're going to focus loosely your Freewrite around the title that you've just written. Some people find this easier because anytime they start to think, what should I write? They could return to that title. They could either write it out again or answer it like a question or write something connected to it. If your pen or your ideas start to travel in a totally different direction and you're writing about something completely unconnected, that's great too. This is still a Freewrite. You're just thinking a little bit about that word or idea which interests you. We're going to go for 1.5 minutes again, 90 seconds. On your marks, get set, Freewrite. Keep the pen moving, guys. Fantastic stuff. And remember, anytime you're stuck, just return to the title. You could answer it like a question. Great, you've done 30 seconds already. Keep the pen moving, keep your hand moving. You're over halfway there. "20 seconds, last burst." Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pens down. Fantastic. We're done. Freewriting is a great thing to do if you're starting off a poem or a story. It can help clear your mind, and it's a great way to come up with ideas. The targeted Freewrite that we just did is an excellent technique to remember if you're starting to explore a particular topic, but you can't think where to begin. If you've got some time today, you could take some of the words, sentences, or ideas that you like from the Freewrites we've just done and use them in a new poem or a story. If you've enjoyed the video, please take a moment to subscribe. Thanks very much for watching.